In this video, I'm going to show you how to use custom tracks on ClinTAD. And once you have the tool up and running, it's fairly easy to create your own tracks using your own data. So first, you would click on the login button on the top right. And if you don't have an account, click on register and make an account. Or if you do have an account, just log in. And this button should change to your name that you entered. So click on that and then click on the tracks button. And there's two sections to this page. There's our create new track section, and then there's a section with all of our different tracks. And these are currently the default tracks that we start out with. So to make a new track, we would fill this section out. So first we choose the chromosome build we want. We make a name for our track. We choose the correct track type that we're making. And then we enter some details about the track so that we can remember what it is later. We would then upload a file with our data. So for TADs, the format for the file is just the chromosome number, the start coordinate, and the end coordinate separated by tabs. So let's upload that and see what happens. So we have a new track down here called fake TADs, which we just created. And we can see how it looks using our default track. So our default track, we can see there's a boundary at 94.6 million, and we have our other default tracks. So let's go back to tracks and then turn our new fake TAD track on, and this will turn off our old default track. And we can see we now have a TAD track with boundaries every 1 million base pairs. And the process for creating a CNV track or an enhancer track is pretty similar. So let's try an enhancer track. Enter the same information. And the format for the enhancer track is chromosome number, start coordinate, end coordinate, a name or label for the enhancer, which is optional, and then you can enter more details about each enhancer or element, which is also optional. And these are all separated by tabs. So let's upload that. And then we can turn it on, and then we can choose a color. Let's choose something really obvious so that we can see that it's working. Choose pink. And then let's go back to our single page. And then we can see our new enhancers are showing up. When we hover over them, we get their name or label. And then when we click on them, we get their information, including the details that were in the file. So that's how you create new tracks, and then you can also turn them on or off depending on what you would like to see.